Today we're making something that's going to make your kitchen smell like a 5-star Mediterranean bistro. 1-pan shrimp and lemon orzo. And yes, I said 1 pan because we're not here for a dishwashing marathon. This is a meal for the soul and your sanity. We're starting with the stars of the show. Shrimp. Peel them, devein them, and give them a little spa day with some smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a touch of red pepper flakes if you're feeling spicy. Toss them like they're about to hit the runway, then heat up some olive oil in a skillet. Sear those beauties for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're golden and slightly caramelized. Oh, and don't overcrowd the pan. Shrimp need their personal space too. Once they're looking irresistible, set them aside. Don't worry, they'll be back. Next up, we're getting cozy with some aromatics. In the same skillet, because we're team 1 pan, remember? Toss in diced onion. Saute it until it's soft and your kitchen smells like heaven. Then comes garlic. Oh, garlic, our ride or die. Give it 30 seconds and let it work its magic. Now, here's where the fun starts. Add a cup of orzo. Toast it for a minute or 2. You'll know it's ready when it smells nutty, like it's saying, "Hey, I'm fancy too." Time to deglaze that pan. Pour in some white wine. And if you don't have wine, use broth and just pretend. Scrape up all those brown bits at the bottom of the pan. That's the flavor jackpot. Then add your broth and season with kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Bring it to a gentle simmer and stir occasionally. This is the moment when the orzo drinks up all that liquid and becomes creamy perfection. Now we're about to level up. Stir in some Parmesan cheese, lemon zest, and a big squeeze of lemon juice. This combo is like sunshine on a plate. If you're feeling indulgent, add a splash of heavy cream. It's optional, but who are we kidding? Life's too short to skip the cream. Finally, the shrimp makes a comeback. Toss them back into the skillet like the royalty they are. Sprinkle everything with some sliced scallions for a pop of freshness. Garnish with lemon wedges for a little extra zing. And there you have it, a creamy, zesty 1-pan wonder that'll make you feel like a kitchen rock star. Serve it up, grab a fork, and don't forget the crusty bread. You'll want it to mop up every last drop of that luscious sauce. For the full written recipe, head on over to kelvinskitchen.com because we've got you covered. Now get cooking. And remember, if your family doesn't rave about this meal, I give you permission to eat their portion too.